Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix issues. Do you know how to find a solution about Netflix? You should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Netflix. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.